This is it. Chase just dropped a 100,000 point sign-up bonus offer on the Sapphire Preferred. This isn't just rare, it's the white whale of travel rewards only available for a limited time. And let me tell you, it'll vanish faster than free snacks in economy.
Wait, the 100K offer? I thought that went extinct with Blockbuster.
Back with a vengeance. Spend $5,000 in 3 months and boom, at least $1,250 in cash value. Flights to Paris? Luxury Tokyo hotels? All yours. But this limited time offer won't last for long. As Chase Bank stated itself, the best offer this year.
All right, I'm hooked. But $5,000 sounds steep. What if I'm not buying a diamond dog collar every month?
Time it with big expenses, home appliance and computer, tax payments, car repairs, or finally fixing that cavity. Chase doesn't care where the spend comes from.
Okay, I'm sold. Let's tear this offer apart.
First, why this card is the Swiss Army knife of travel.
5x points on hotels and rental cars booked through Chase Travel. Book a $500 hotel stay. That's 2,500 points.
3x points on dining, streaming, and online groceries. Earn points while you DoorDash, sushi, or binge Stranger Things on Netflix.
Free DoorDash Dash Pass for a year. $0 delivery fees.
Primary rental car insurance. No fighting with your insurer if your Jeep takes a Maui mud bath.
No foreign transaction fees. Swipe freely in Bali or Barcelona.
Extended warranties and purchase protection. Your gadgets get VIP treatment.
Wow, lots of cool perks. What about the annual fee?
$95. But Chase hands you a $50 hotel credit yearly. Book any hotel through their portal, and they refund $50. Your net fee is just $45. That's cheaper than a Starbucks habit.
Great. Now let's talk about some best ways to redeem these Chase Ultimate Rewards points.
Let's start simple. Chase Travel Portal allow you redeem points at 1.25 cents each. 100K points equals $1,250. Book flights, hotels, even tree houses in Bali. No blackout dates.
That's a very good redemption value for your points. Better than Capital One's 1 cent per point purchase eraser feature.
Ready for Europe? Transfer points to Air France KLM's Flying Blue program at 1-to-1 ratio. You can often find one-way flight to and from Europe for as little as 17,000 Flying Blue miles.
How do I transfer points?
Log into your Chase account, go to Transfer to Partners, select Flying Blue, and boom! Points move instantly. Then book on Air France or KLM's website.
Taxes and fees?
Around $110 each way. Compare that to $800 cash fares. You're saving hundreds.
What if I want to go Paris in spring?
Flying Blue's calendar shows award availability. Pro tip: midweek flights are cheaper. Avoid summer peaks. Craving luxury stays? Transfer points to Hyatt, arguably the best and most valuable Chase transfer partner. The Hyatt-centric Ginza Tokyo, yes, this well-located hotel costs 40 to 45,000 points per night versus $1,200 in cash.
How do I find these deals?
Hyatt's website has a points calendar. Filter by standard awards for 40,000 to 45,000 nights.
Any other Hyatt gems?
Alila Ventana Big Sur, adults-only retreat with cliffside pools. 66,000 to 90,000 points per night. Cash price? $2,000 plus. Vacation in Hawaii? Transfer points to Air Canada Aeroplan. Flights from LA to Honolulu. 15,000 Aeroplan points each way on United Airlines. Pro tip: add a free stopover in Vancouver for a 2-for-1 trip.
What about from East Coast?
The cost jumps to 25,000 points, but still a very sweet deal. Lastly, for the creme de la creme, transfer points to Virgin Atlantic. Book ANA's business class from New York to Tokyo. 60,000 points plus $200 fees one way.
$200 fees, worth it?
Compared to $6,000 cash seats, you're paying 3% of the price. Plus, ANA's seats turn into live fat beds with sake service.
How do I book?
Call Virgin Atlantic's agents. Tell them you want ANA Star Alliance Awards. Have dates flexible. Award space opens 355 days out.
Great info. Those are fantastic sweep spot for Chase points. What if I already have this card? Can I get the bonus again?
Yes. Only if it's been 48 months since your last Sapphire bonus. Downgrade your current Sapphire card to a no annual fee, Chase Freedom Flex or Freedom Unlimited. Wait 30 days, then reapply. Say hello to another 100K points.
Also, remember the famous Chase 524 rule? What is that?
If you've opened 5 or more cards from any bank in the last 24 months, Chase will deny your application. Before you apply, check your credit history first. Make sure you're under 524.
Any sneaky pitfalls?
Don't close your old Sapphire card before downgrading, and always pay your balance in full and in time. The sky-high interest absolutely kills points value.
What else?
Remember to use DoorDash Dash Pass for free delivery. Activate by 2027, and pair points with cash for partial redemptions. Stretch your points further.
Moving on. What if I'm not into travel? Can I cash out points?
Technically, yes. But at 1 cent per point, you'd get $1,000 cash. Versus at least $1,250 for travel. Even more value with some transfer partners. Don't be that person who trades a Ferrari for a tricycle. This card is travel-focused. Use it for the best value.
All right. If I'm ready to apply, what's step 1?
1. Check your 524 status. 2. Apply for the Chase Sapphire Preferred if you're under 524. 3. Hit $5,000 spend in 3 months. 4. Transfer points and book your dream trip.
All right. So to sum it all up, this 100,000 point bonus with the Chase Sapphire Preferred, it offers a ton of flexibility.
Yeah, it really does. If this offer speaks to your wanderlust, don't wait. These deals don't last forever.
Whether you're looking for easy travel through the portal or more aspirational redemptions with partners, this bonus can really help you achieve your travel goals.
That's the beauty of it.
So for our viewers out there, I'm curious, which of these travel scenarios gets you the most excited?
It's all about figuring out how to use it best for you.
Check the show notes for our referral link for this offer. We sincerely appreciate your support.
Even if you're not ready to apply yet, start planning. Where would you go first, Paris? Maui? A rooftop bar in Tokyo?
Let us know. We love hearing travel dreams. And if you found this episode helpful, share it with a friend, leave a review, or follow us for more tips.
Until next time, keep earning, keep learning, and keep flying smarter.
Because the world is too big to pay full price.